Hi everybody and welcome. Today we're going to walk you through the steps to permanently delete a Gmail account from an Android phone. Before you proceed, it's important to note that deleting your Gmail account is permanent. This means you'll lose all your emails, data, and access to services linked to that account like YouTube or Google Drive. Make sure you've backed up any important information before continuing. Now let's get started. The first step is to open the Settings app on your Android phone. You can find this app on your home screen or in your app drawer. It usually looks like a gear icon. Tap on it to open. Once you're in the Settings app, scroll down and look for the option labeled Accounts or Users and Accounts. The exact name may vary slightly depending on your Android version or device manufacturer. Tap on Accounts to proceed. Here, you'll see a list of all the accounts that are signed in on your phone. This includes your Google account, email accounts, and possibly social media accounts. Look for the Google account that you want to delete. When you find it, tap on it to open the account details. Now, you're in the account details screen. Depending on your device, you might see an option that says Remove Account right away. If you do, tap on it. If you don't see the Remove Account option directly, look for three dots in the top right corner of the screen or another menu icon. Tap on that to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, you should find the Remove Account option. Select it. At this point, your phone might ask you to confirm your choice. It may warn you that removing the account will delete all associated data from your device. Enter the required information and continue. If your goal was to delete the Gmail account only from your phone and not permanently, this is where the process ends. However, if you want to permanently delete the Gmail account, there are a few more steps to follow. Open a web browser on your phone or computer and go to the Google account website. The URL is myaccount.google.com. Sign in using the Gmail account you want to delete. Once you're logged in, tap on Data and Privacy in the menu on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you find the option that says Delete a Google service. Tap on it. At this point, Google might ask you to sign in again for security purposes. Once you're signed in, you'll see a list of Google services associated with your account. Look for Gmail and tap the trash icon next to it. Google will provide instructions to complete the deletion process. Follow these steps carefully. You may be asked to provide a backup email address where Google can send updates about the deletion request.